All right, welcome to the Herbal-tique and all sorts of new beautiful things to suit your needs. All sorts of supplements of all different kinds that are exactly what they say they are. Amazing infused honeys for sleep with mushrooms, etc. And if you're wondering why some of these herbs and supplements aren't, some of them are, but some are not labeled organic. That's because not everybody can afford to pay for the label. Soaps, shampoo, conditioner bars. You get literally hundreds of washes with these and no packaging to throw away. I love it. Of course, essential oils, healthy freeze-dried snacks, and more. Let's see. I haven't been able to put everything away. Whoopsie daisy. Getting there though. All the beautiful clothes, silk, bamboo, cotton, linen, etc. Oh my gosh, cute little jumpsuits, beautiful two-piece sets of all kinds, and casual wear as well. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. You should come treat yourself. Get all these beautiful instruments, all handmade, color changing coffee or tea mugs, coloring books for adults and children, stuff for hair, all handmade, silk scrunchies, silk scarves, Turkish coin purses. And look at that, healthy shampoo and conditioner, bug sprays, beard balms, all sorts of gifts, amazing skincare, chip gemstone trees, bracelets, and healing bracelets over here, healing copper, different kinds. They are adjustable, necklaces, keychains. And look at these cute little hand-carved gemstone bottles. Fill them with essential oils, and you can even wrap them with a ready-made wrap, adjustable in size, all the herbs, and so much more. Looking forward to seeing you here. And thank you so much for your support. This is just so exciting. I can't thank you enough.